All right, so this video is going to show you how to create a cell in a spreadsheet that actually does all the calculations for you when it comes to using the regression model. So as a reminder, these are real data. These are all data that represent real things that happen in the real world. So for example, a student that was absent for 1 day earned a 65% on their test. In the regression model, what we can do is we can use this model to predict things that haven't happened. So if, for example, a student is absent for 6 days, which is not even on our graph, what score should we predict that they might get? So here's how we do this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to zoom in. First of all, notice that I wrote the regression model here, which I got from my graph. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write a formula in this cell. The formula is going to start with an equal sign. And the formula is going to be this formula here, so negative 6.4. Oops, negative 6.4 times, and it's going to be times whatever I put in this cell. So if I were to put a 5 in there, and then it's going to be times 5. If I put a 3 in there, it's going to be times 3. Plus 84.06. Enter. And right now it says no value. However, if I want to estimate, say, like what will happen if a student is absent for 6 days, it will predict that the student will get a 45.66 on the test. Or if a student is absent for 1 day, it predicts that they'll get a 77.66 based on that model. So the way this relates, so let's take the 1 for example. If a student is absent for 1 day, this model predicts that they will get a 77.66 on their test. When we look here, if a student is absent for 1 day, and you look closely, it's somewhere around 77, right? Here's 80, here's 60, so 65, 70, 75. So this is approximately 75. So the formula, essentially, is giving you this output, giving you the coordinate of this point.